Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter vada. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of urad dal, a few green chilies, a small piece of ginger, and some fresh curry leaves. Begin by soaking the urad dal in water for at least 4 to 5 hours, or even overnight, to ensure it softens properly. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect vada texture. Next, drain all the water from your soaked urad dal. Transfer the dal to a grinder, adding your green chilies, ginger, and curry leaves. Grind this mixture into a very smooth and thick paste, using as little water as possible. The key here is to achieve a fluffy, aerated batter that holds its shape, which is vital for crispy vadas. A thick batter prevents excess oil absorption during frying. Now for the fun part, shaping and frying. Wet your hands with water to prevent sticking, then take a small portion of the batter. Gently shape it into a round vada, making a small hole in the center, similar to a donut. Heat your oil to a medium-high temperature. You can test it by dropping a tiny bit of batter, which should sizzle and rise. Carefully slide the shaped vadas into the hot oil and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are perfectly crispy. Once your vadas are golden and crisp, remove them from the oil and drain any excess on absorbent paper. Serve these delicious butter vadas immediately with your favorite coconut chutney or a warm bowl of sambar. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a pinch of asafoetida to your batter before frying. These savory, crispy treats are perfect for breakfast or as a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.